Assalamualaikum viewers, my name is Sayyid Shafat Ali Shah. Today our topic is kinetic energy and potential energy. First of all, we study about the kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? The kinetic energy is the energy an object possesses due to its motion. It is the energy an object has because it's moving. The amount of the kinetic energy depends on both the object mass and its speed. The faster an object moves and the more massive it is, the more kinetic energy it has. Because the kinetic energy is depend on the mass and speed of the object. The kinetic energy is directly related to an object motion. If an object is stationary or rest, it has no kinetic energy. The greater the mass of an object, the more kinetic energy it will have at a given speed. According to the formula of the kinetic energy, Ke equals to 1 upon 2 mv square. In the formula of the kinetic energy, m is represent the mass and v is the represent the speed. The standard or SI unit of kinetic energy is joule. The most important example of the kinetic energy is moving car, moving rickshaw, moving bicycle, flowing rivers, earth rotation. These all the best example of the kinetic energy. Now we study about the potential energy. What is the potential energy? Potential energy is stored energy within a system due to its position, configuration or condition. Potential energy is the energy held by an object because of its position relative to other objects. Potential energy convert into the kinetic energy. Stretched rubber, stretch spring, bow and arrow, trampoline, these all the example of potential energy. When we throw a ball upward, its potential energy increase as it's more higher, while its kinetic energy decreases. The velocity of ball slow down due to gravity as it climbs. Converting energy of motion into energy of position means the kinetic energy convert into the gravitational potential energy. At the highest point, the ball potential energy is at its maximum and its kinetic energy is at its minimum, ideally zero. As the ball falls back down, this process reverses the potential energy decrease and the kinetic energy is increased. A ball held above the ground has gravitational potential energy due to its height. When dropped, this potential energy converts into the kinetic energy as it falls. Trampoline. On a trampoline, gravity gives the jumper potential energy at the top of each jump. Elasticity of the trampoline gives jump potential energy at the bottom at each jump. A stretched rubber band stored elastic potential energy. Releasing the rubber band converts this stored energy into the kinetic energy. When a battery contains chemical potential energy stored in its chemical compounds, this energy is released when the battery is used to power device. With the help of power device, we can light the bulb and operate the machine. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.